This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about rolling pins, specifically this Metlux aluminum rolling pin. It's 21¼ inches long by 3¼ inches in diameter. It features ball bearings inside to ensure a smooth rolling motion every time. The handles on this pin have a nice ergonomic shape that means it's easy to grip, and especially if you're going to be working long days, it's going to help with less fatigue for your hands. It's made from premium aluminum that can really stand up to heavy-duty, repeated use. And it's perfect for working with breads and pastry doughs, pies and cookies. The pins can even be chilled to make work with more temperature-sensitive doughs easier and help prevent sticking. The actual barrel is 13 inches long, meaning it's not too long that it becomes a little unmanageable and cumbersome, and it's also not too short that it's creating extra work that necessitates more passes over your dough. It's strong and lightweight, and it's resistant to corrosion, meaning this is the perfect pin for professionals or for aspiring chefs at home.